This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Scott. Ready to live the quiet life? Imagine sitting on the front porch and listening to the birds sing and breathe in the fresh air. Only 3 miles outside of the town or Whaleyville. Easy drive to Suffolk. Open floor plan with a split layout. Primary bedroom on one side of the house and the other 2 bedrooms on the opposite side. Spacious great room with wood-burning fireplace, large dining room, eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar, great countertop space. Back door opens into a drop area great for coats, backpacks, and shoes. Additional features include wood-burning fireplace, primary bedroom with bath and laundry area, large yard and big front porch. For more information, review the details below.